What's the meaning of Airedale Terrier? Airedale Terrier. Airedale Terrier. Airedale Terrier. Airedale Terrier. Airedale Terrier.
The Airedale Terrier is a breed of dog that originated in England. They are the largest of the terrier breeds and were originally bred for hunting small game, such as rats and otters. Airedale Terriers are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and courage. They have a wiry, black and tan coat that requires regular grooming. Airedales are highly trainable and make excellent companions for active families. They have also been used as police and military dogs due to their strength and bravery.